Hey, I'm Jack Hillier, and welcome to Dinner Roulette Pro. In this series, I'll walk you through the tool step by step, feature by feature. So dinner comes down to three easy moves: spin, shop, and cook. Let's jump in. Every recipe in Dinner Roulette Pro comes with more than just ingredients and steps. It comes with the numbers that tell you what you're actually eating. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how nutrition works in the tool, the macros you get automatically, how to add deeper scoring and micronutrients, and how the diabetes impact score can help if you're watching blood sugar. Here's the good news first. You don't have to do anything to get your macros. Every recipe the AI generates for you comes with full nutrition facts per serving built in. Calories, protein, carbs, and fat ready the moment your recipe is. And it's the same story whether you spun for it or saved it. If you cook a lot from the same recipes, that's per serving nutrition on every single one automatically. Now, what about a recipe you added yourself, one you typed in or imported into My Recipes? Those don't have the numbers yet, but they're one click away. Just open the recipe and click Get Nutrition Info. The tool runs the analysis and fills in your macros per serving, the same clean numbers you get on an AI recipe. Once your macros are showing, you've got the option to go deeper. Right there on the recipe card, you'll see two more buttons, and you can add one or both. The first is Add Micronutrients and Scoring. Click that, and Dinner Roulette Pro pulls in the micronutrients, things like fiber, sodium, sugar, vitamins, iron, and calcium, and gives the recipe a nutrition score out of 10 with a quick rating so you know at a glance where it lands. The second is Add Diabetes Impact Score. You'll also hear me call it the D score. If you or someone you cook for is watching blood sugar, this gives you a read on how a meal is likely to affect it. One honest note on the D score: it's here to help you make informed choices. It's information, not medical advice. Always follow your own doctor's guidance. Once you've added scoring, you can open up the full detail whenever you want it. Click to expand and you get the full breakdown. Every item, its amount, and whether it's poor, fair, or good, laid out on a simple bar. Click again and it collapses back to the clean summary. Open it when you want the detail, tuck it away when you don't. Here's a small thing that people really like. However you leave the nutrition, that's exactly how it shares. If you share a recipe with the nutrition expanded, the person you send it to sees it expanded, full breakdown and all. If you collapse it first and then share, it stays collapsed on their end. You decide how much detail travels with the recipe. That's nutrition in Dinner Roulette Pro. Macros on every recipe automatically, one click to add them to your own, and scoring, micronutrients, and the D score whenever you want to go deeper. Spin, shop, cook, and now you know exactly what's on the plate. That's a wrap on this one. If it helped, subscribe so you catch the rest of the series. And when you're ready to skip the dinner debate, the link is in the description. I'm Jack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.